Danielle, be careful. The light is turning yellow.
Oh, wait, it's red.
No, look, there's the SUV. It goes. Oh, it's red. We stopped. Ow, my neck!
Oh,
Are you kids okay?
I think I'm bleeding.
Oh, Ashley,
I'm
your
hemorrhaging
neck is
from the
broken.
brain.
Bradley, you look hurt
My
too.
brain is hemorrhaging.
My neck hurts.
I'm not good. Let me see if I can get out.
Oh no! Where is he? Who hit us? Oh, you in the red truck.
Oh no!
High school.
I
I
just-
will take down your information.
Oh,
Are you all right, Danielle,
I
daughter?
can't feel my neck.
Danielle, we will take you to the hospital.
I'm trapped in a glass cage of emotion.
I'm trapped in a foam brace of emotion.
Oh, the treachery.
Oh, the horror.